Hi, let's discuss the left function in Excel. Left function returns a specified number of characters from start of this text string. So let's say I have a data which is Mahatma Gandhi as a text string. I want to extract only the first name, that is Mahatma, from it. How can I do that? So I'll use equal to left text from which I want to extract. So I link it here, Mahatma Gandhi, and number of characters. Remember, this is an optional input. We will see what we will get if we don't input this. But let's first discuss how to get Mahatma. Mahatma is a 7-letter word, if you see. So I want 7 characters or letters from the left of this text string. Simple. Again, I'll show the function left, this function, and the position. Let's say I use a left function without any number of characters. Okay. You can also use this in combination with find. Let's say I first use a find function to find where is the space. So find text, let's say space within this text, and give me the number. So I got this is at 8th position, and then I use it in my function here. Instead of typing this hard coding 7, I say this -1. So this you can use at number of times to extract the first name of an individual if you have an entire name in the text string. I hope this helps you. Thank you.